this video, I spent the night in a bivouac facing a snowstorm and hurricane winds at -5 degrees, found abandoned bunkers and captured some really epic drone shots.
I can feel my hands.
Let's dive in.
I can feel my hands there. Oh.
Hi guys, I'm Jaka and you're watching Black Pig 365 YouTube channel. Right now I'm located at a little village called Ratitovec and today I'm heading over there, right up there. Behind this there's a mountain called Ratitovec and that's my final destination for the day. I'm located at 1040 meters above sea level and the peak of Mount Ratitovec is at 1666 meters, and that's where I will sleep tonight. Yeah, that's right, I'll be staying at the bivouac near the mountain hut because today, in about few hours, there will be a snowstorm. So can't wait to see the first proper snow of the season. As you can probably see, there's not a lot of visitors today because it's pretty cold, around 0 degrees Celsius. That's my final destination, 1 hour and a half. Let's go! As you can see, there are two options you can take. The left one, через Podan, and the right one, через Razor. And today I'll be taking the right one. After 3 minutes of walking, I've reached the part that I hate the most because it's steep. And it goes for about 10 minutes. So, sweet start. I have to take this jacket off and replace it with something that's not that warm. I hope that one will do. So by now I gained around 200 meters of elevation gain and the surrounding nature became more and more beautiful. So at this point you really have the feeling that you're in the mountains. So that's it. That's the top. That's the Glatki Vrh. So all I have to hike, it's just this part. First a little left and then the right, and then the view will open and we will see the mountain hut and the peak. Okay, that's a little map here. We are here at Razor. Came from here, from Ratitovec, and now we're taking this route via Krikova Koča and then to the Glatki Vrh. Here I will sleep, and tomorrow in the morning, if the weather is okay, if there won't be any fog, I will also go to Alta Mauer to take some incredible crazy shots with my drone that I'm also having with me. If the weather will be good, this video will also be crazy. So yeah, here are Vratca, here is the top of Glatki Vrh and I'm going here. Zajla! I also met one guy a few minutes back and he told me that the bivouac is open because the mountain hut is open just for the weekends, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and today it's Thursday. Yeah, I'm lucky. A little bit of snow, a little bit of grass. Right now I just saw the hut. There it is. After 58 minutes I reached the hut. Okay, the weather is not looking that bad. There's still no snow. Up here, there's the top. A few folks just left. It's just me now. Let's put some warm clothes back on and head for the top till we still have the light. Right, ready for the top. Let's go. That's it. I'm on top of Ratitovec. Let's go. As you can hear, it's a bit windy up here and cold, but never mind. I have enough of warm clothes with me, so I think the cold today won't be a problem. And down there's the bivouac where I'll be. There's the bivouac. The wind is so strong that it's pushing me. I think I'll just head back to the hut and then to the bivouac. I hope you can hear me. Another interesting thing that you can see here on top of Ratitovec are the bunkers. And those bunkers are part of Rupnik line that was created between the World Wars, and the head chief of the project was Leon Rupnik, so that's why it's called Rupnik line. It was meant for the defense against the Italians, and now I'm back. I would really like to take some shots with my drone, but there's a really strong wind. But fuck it, let's do it. In 3, 2, 1. I almost lost my drone, man. I was pushing it forward, but the wind was so strong that it actually went backward. That's the first time that happened to me, so I hope that in the morning the wind won't blow so much. And it's getting dark, it's getting late, and I'm alone. Let's go to the bivouac and check it out. As soon as the sun goes down, it becomes really cold, and the wind is very strong. So yeah, I'm very glad that I finally came to the bivouac. That one. Let's see. Well, it looks really nice. Can't complain for right now. Well, let's close those doors. Oh, nice. I really hope those doors are unlocked. I guess that's where I'll be sleeping for the night. It ain't much. I really don't like this. Why do you even build this? But yeah, it is what it is. So I guess I'll be staying here. Let's make this my home for the night. It's been 1 hour and 47 minutes since I left the car. And yeah, that's it. 4 kilometers. I think it will be okay. Okay. Could be worse. So yeah, now that there's nothing to do at the bivouac, there's also no signal, I came back to the hut, to Krekova Kuća, to enjoy this beautiful view. You can't see nothing. Oh, you actually can. There are a few lights. Yeah, and the snow also started to fall. Not much, but it's coming. It's coming. I really can't wait for tomorrow morning. I really hope that there will be at least 20 centimeters. If you have any question, just let me know down below in the comment section. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It's about -3, 4, 5. Yeah, I've downloaded all the footage from my GoPro and my drone, so I can edit. Inside Bivouac there's no signal, no Wi-Fi, so I can't do nothing on my phone except I can edit. So yeah, so much warm. I've been outside now for more than an hour. I can't feel my toes.
2 hours later.
Then the right, and then the view will open. Now after 2 hours of editing, my battery ran out, so I had to bring out my power bank. And right now I'm curious how it is outside, because it's 10:30 p.m. I really enjoyed the day. It was a bit cold, but the winter is always coming, as they say. And just that you know that I'm not bullshitting as I'm saying that's really cold here. Look, the wind is blowing. Crazy. Well, let's check the weather outside. Whoa, whoa! What the heck? Whoa! It doesn't look that it fell much snow, but the wind just blows all the snow away. We will see in the morning. I think a few 10 centimeters fell already. I have enough of this. So, let's seal those doors. Yeah, that's it. That's better. So, that's it for today. Next stop for me, this one. The warm, cozy sleeping bag. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. Good morning, everyone. It's 6 a.m. in the morning, and yeah, I've survived. It wasn't very comfortable, but it wasn't too bad. So, as you can see, there's not that much snow as I thought it would be. Well, the fog came. I don't have the beautiful view that I wanted. Oh, the wind is picking up again. Oh. The same conditions as in the evening. And the wind started blowing from the northeast, so it's really cold again.
7:59 a.m.
That's it for today. Oh, I can't feel my hands. I can't feel my hands, Sam. Oh.
Okay, now I'm ready to face the winds. Yeah, I cleaned everything, packed my backpack, and yeah, that's it for this bivouac. And now, let the fun part begin. Double check if you have everything always, because I've lost too many things. Still around -5. all that I have to do, all that's left is for me to take the summit of Altemauer and then head back to the car. Day 2 begins. Bunker, another one. Well, in worst case scenario, this would serve me as a great shelter. It's a nice view, really nice views out there. I think I'll take a few minutes break here to warm myself up a little bit because it's really cold. It's freezing. The summit of Altemauer. That's it. Now I have to go back in the same direction as I came, back to the bivouac, and then down to the finish line. How much snow since I left, and it's been around an hour. I need a break and a sandwich. Whew. To the bivouac. Oh, man, it's cold. Now let's go back to my car. Yeah, and that's basically it. That's how it is in the winter in the mountains. Still alone, still have the whole. A little below the summit, where the winds are not that strong, there's probably around 20 centimeters of snow, or maybe a few centimeters more. So now, a few minutes back, I had a phone call. My father called me and he told me that my mother got a call from the police station in Škofja Loka. Yesterday when I parked down there at Pertouch, the car is registered to my mother. So the locals yesterday saw that there's still one car at the parking, and got worried because of the bad weather that somebody was lost or that there was an accident. So they called the police and told them that, yeah. And then police called my mother. Then my father called me and I told him, yeah, I'm alright. They already knew that I was going to sleep up there, but yeah, the locals didn't. So very kind of them to worry about me, but yeah, I'm okay. Down there, where there's no wind, it's much more beautiful than at the summit. Up there, that wind, fuck. All the snowflakes blew into my face and it hurts so much. It really looks completely different than yesterday, more magical. A few more steps and that's it. Back in Ratitovec. Even there the wind's picking up. Oh. I feel like I'm up on the summit again because it's crazy this wind. Like, look, I forgot my shovel at home. It is what it is. Okay, I got out pretty easily, no problem. So only thing to do is to change my boots, and that's it. If you like those kinds of videos of hiking, of overnight sleeping in the bivouacs outside, in the hammock or something like that, consider subscribing, because it's coming. I hope you liked the video and I'll see you next time. Bye.